Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are making a keychain using cold porcelain clay. This is my first ever attempt, so I am excited. Let's see how it turns out. So, right now I am making a bunny. She holding the heart center of the body, and actually I took the reference from online. I am taking the eye pin, applying some glue and fix it right in the middle between the two ears. I decided to make so many different keychains. I have not designed the characters yet. So if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments and let's see. I forgot to color the heart and the flower. So let's do that now. I am using soft pastel from Camel brand. I was supposed to mix them with the clay, but I forgot. So now I am just using a brush to lightly add the color. Our bunny is almost ready now. All that's left is to make the eyes, nose and mouth. This part was really tricky to do because it's my first time and the piece is so tiny. My hands were shaking a lot. It was a bit difficult, but I somehow got it done. I'm putting our bunny on a silk cloth to dry. If you don't place it on silk cloth, the clay might get dented. I am clearing the dust on the clay using rubbing alcohol, and now we are going to coat it with UV resin. I know this part isn't fun for any clay artist, but it can't be avoided. So let me know in the comments if you also facing this problem. This bunny took me 2 days to complete, and your support means a lot. Please like, subscribe and share to your friends and family. Here is a tip. Sanding the extra lumps, then it will come out smooth and pure. The eye pin was not standing, so I dipping in the UV resin and secured it cured under the UV lamp. Now it's strong. I made this miffy. There is a dent at the back, but the front looks perfect. So now I am going to add the keychains. Put a jump ring on the eye pin, then added the keychain and used pillars to tighten it. So this is how it came out. What do you think? We will see in the next video. Bye.